Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. And today I'll be answering the question, can you apply for citizenship with an expired green card? And the answer is yes. Generally, having an expired green card is possible for you to apply, but it can create issues with the application process. Here's what you need to know. Renewing your green card is actually recommended because it is actually essential to renew your green card before it expires to maintain your permanent resident status. You can apply for a renewal by filling Form 190, actually I-90, application to replace permanent resident card with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Now, like I said before, it is technically possible, but it's not recommended. You can apply for citizenship with an expired green card, but like I said, it is not recommended because of the potential issues. You see, an expired green card may lead to delays or complications in the citizenship application process. You also need to provide evidence of continuous residence in the United States, which can be challenging with an expired green card. The best course of action is to renew your green card, consult with an attorney. If you consult with an attorney, like an immigration attorney, it will be preferable because they will tell you the process or the special circumstances that can make it possible for you to apply. So if you're unsure, please consider consulting with an immigration attorney or personalized guidance. It's very crucial to follow the proper procedures and ensure your immigration documents are up to date to avoid complications in the citizenship application process. Hope you find the video helpful. Thanks for watching.